Today's video is going to be incredibly useful, especially for men over 40, though it's also crucial for those who are younger. Following the advice I'm about to share can help you avoid many common pitfalls by the time you hit that age milestone. In this video, I'll cover 8 major mistakes that people often make after turning 40, ranging from workout blunders to dietary slips. However, to start off simple, I'll begin with the warm-up, because everything starts with a good warm-up, right? For a long time, I completely overlooked the importance of warm-ups. Back in my 20s, my routine was pretty straightforward. I'd hit the gym, make a beeline for the weights, and dive right into heavy lifting, sparing only a moment for a couple of cursory warm-up sets, if that. This minimal prep seemed sufficient at the time. After all, I was young, full of energy, and my body recovered quickly. However, that approach just doesn't hold up once you pass the 40-year mark. As we age, our bodies demand more attention and care, making proper preparation not just beneficial, but essential. Skipping warm-ups can lead to injuries and strains that not only hinder progress, but can also cause long-term damage. Now, I recognize the critical role that a thorough warm-up plays in ensuring my body is primed and ready for the stress of weightlifting. A good warm-up does more than just loosen the muscles. It also prepares the joints, increases blood flow, and enhances neuromuscular activation, which is crucial for effective training. This means spending adequate time on dynamic stretches, mobility exercises, and light, activity-specific movements that replicate the exercises to come. This preparatory phase helps transition the body from a resting state to a high-performance state, ensuring I can train effectively and safely. Understanding this, I now prioritize a comprehensive warm-up routine, treating it as an integral part of my training session. It's not just about preventing injuries, but also about enhancing performance and maximizing the effectiveness of each workout. For anyone over 40, taking this time to properly warm up isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. Certainly, a bit of caution goes a long way when warming up. Excessively rolling every inch of your body with a foam roller before even touching a weight might be overkill. It's common for people to get caught up in thorough, intense warm-up routines, spending more time preparing than actually engaging in their workout. While a thorough warm-up is essential, the goal is to prime your body for performance, not to exhaust it before the real work begins. The key is finding the right balance. For instance, if you're preparing for heavy lifts like bench presses or squats, incorporating a few targeted warm-up sets can significantly improve your performance and reduce the risk of injury. These sets should be designed to increase blood flow and enhance muscle elasticity without depleting your energy reserves. Start with very light weights or just the bar, gradually adding weight to gently coax your muscles into readiness. Remember, the primary purpose of a warm-up is to prepare the muscles and joints for the demands of the workout ahead. It's not just about loosening up, it's about enhancing your body's ability to perform at its peak when it counts. By optimizing your warm-up, you ensure that your body is not only ready, but also optimally tuned for the challenges to come. Once you're warmed up, focus on building strength. That's critical and should be a lifelong pursuit. Remember, building strength isn't just about the number of plates you can load onto a barbell. It's about controlling the weight you lift, ensuring you can manage it safely and effectively. In the gym, leave your ego at the door, reduce the weight, and focus on form. Take your time with each rep, especially with basic exercises like bench presses and squats. Lower the weight and focus on performing each rep with impeccable form. This isn't just about reducing injury risk, it's about quality over quantity, which will serve you well not just now, but into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Moreover, Focusing on your neuromuscular connection is essential. I know it sounds like jargon, but it's crucial. During a workout, it's not just about the motions you go through. It's about feeling each muscle work. Sometimes you see two people doing the same exercise, but one gets significantly better results. The difference often lies in how their bodies experience the exercise. For instance, when doing a dumbbell curl, it's not just about moving the dumbbell from point A to point B. It's about focusing on the muscle throughout the movement. Let's also talk about metabolic training, which becomes increasingly important as you age. It provides undeniable benefits by increasing muscular endurance and enhancing metabolic stress, which drives muscle growth. Lighter weights can be incredibly effective here, helping you perform more reps without putting undue strain on your joints, tendons, and ligaments. As for cardio, switch it up as you age. Long sessions can be tough on your joints. Instead, incorporate low-impact, high-efficiency cardio like rope jumping or sled pushes, which provide great workouts without excessive wear and tear. And don't forget, the quality of your training should evolve as you age. Integrate more athletic movements into your routine to maintain agility and muscle coordination, which can decrease with age if not actively maintained. Lastly, let's touch on nutrition. As you get older, metabolism slows down. Quality nutrition becomes even more crucial. It's not just about how much you eat, but what you eat. Keep your diet rich in nutrients, which will help manage weight and maintain muscle mass. In conclusion, training smart is essential, especially as you age. Keep these tips in mind to ensure you're not just preparing for the present, but are also paving the way for a healthy and active future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, keep pushing forward, and thanks for watching.